Every night you ignore this hidden trigger is another step closer to losing your independence and missing out on years of vibrant living. Most people over 50 never realize there's one mistake sabotaging their sleep, energy, and even immune system night after night until it's too late. If you often find yourself awake in the dead of night, staring at the ceiling, heart pounding just a little faster than it should, you are not alone. Millions of older adults are stuck in this silent struggle, and it's more than just getting older. Imagine waking up night after night at 1:47 or 3:12 in the morning. Your brain snaps awake, your body tenses, and you can feel stress creeping in, making restful sleep seem out of reach. If you've noticed your energy or mood declining or feel like your immune system just isn't what it used to be, you might be experiencing something that most doctors rarely discuss. Would you believe that the food you eat before bedtime could be unintentionally keeping you stuck in this cycle, or that tiny changes at night could transform your sleep and how you feel during the day? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could change how you sleep for the rest of your life. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's dive right in. As we get older, our bodies can fall out of balance. One of the most common and overlooked causes is a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is our body's built-in stress signal. It should gently drop at night to let us sleep deeply. But for many people over 50, cortisol stays too high, especially overnight. That keeps your body in a simmering state of stress and blocks your deepest, most restorative sleep stages. It might be why you feel exhausted in the morning, even if you think you got enough hours in bed. It's not just aging, it's chemistry, and according to new research, it can improve. A study from the University of Tokyo made a remarkable discovery in 2024. They found that certain vegetables, when eaten at the right time and prepared just right, can help calm the body's nighttime stress response and help seniors stay asleep over 60% longer. These vegetables are loaded with special nutrients called phytonutrients, and some actually function like natural off switches for excess cortisol at night. Imagine if simply changing your late-night snack could help your brain settle down, your body relax, and let you wake up with true energy again. And according to scientists, the answer is yes, and you don't need pills or prescriptions. Today, I am revealing the 5 most powerful vegetables to eat before bed after age 50 that have been shown to help crush those nighttime cortisol spikes. As you listen, I invite you to picture which ones you might try tonight. Stick around, because number 2 is something Japanese doctors call nature's melatonin amplifier, and may be unlike any vegetable you've heard of. All of the science is referenced in the video description, including research from Harvard, Johns Hopkins, and the University of Tokyo. Let's begin with an easy option you probably already have in your kitchen, hiding in plain sight: red bell peppers. But there's more to this story than meets the eye. Red bell peppers become special for sleep when they are ripe and deep red. They contain a powerful compound called capsaicin, which only develops when the pepper turns fully red, not when it's green or yellow. This compound has been shown to help regulate the brain's stress centers, sometimes referred to as the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. What that means for you is a more peaceful, less reactive state, especially overnight. Research from the Czech Academy of Sciences observed adults over 70 who ate a medium red bell pepper 2 hours before bed. The result was a 31% drop in cortisol levels during the critical midnight to 4 a.m. window, which is when most people report tossing and turning. Capsaicin works by interfering with an enzyme in your body that acts like a small nighttime cortisol factory. Eating a properly ripened red bell pepper effectively asks that factory to close down for the night. But it gets better. Red bell peppers are also the world's richest vegetable source of vitamin C, with one pepper providing almost double your daily needs. Vitamin C helps your adrenal glands naturally dial down cortisol as you sleep. However, there's a trick to getting these benefits. Red bell peppers must be roasted, not eaten raw. The reason: raw peppers can actually stimulate your digestion and keep you alert exactly when you want to wind down. The simplest method is to roast them at 375 degrees Celsius, or about 700 degrees Fahrenheit, if you prefer that scale, for precisely 12 minutes, just until the skins begin to blister. This process lets the capsaicin become 3 times easier for your body to use. Let them cool completely. And most importantly, drizzle with a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil before eating. The healthy fat in the oil helps your body absorb the sleep-promoting compounds. Without the oil, you're only getting a fraction of the benefits. Eat your roasted pepper about 90 minutes before you plan to sleep. That allows time for the calming compounds to reach your bloodstream just as you're heading to bed. If you eat more than 1 pepper, your system might become overstimulated, so stick to 1 medium pepper, not more. You can prepare several at once and store them in the fridge for 3 days, making this good for your sleep ritual as simple as grabbing and enjoying before bed. Now, red bell peppers are just the beginning. Let's move to a vegetable with gorgeous color and a secret power for sleep: the purple sweet potato. Not to be confused with common orange sweet potatoes. Purple sweet potatoes stand out because they're filled with anthocyanins, the same pigments that give blueberries their color, but in much higher amounts. These compounds can cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning they can actually help calm the part of your brain that triggers stress, the amygdala. A fascinating study from Louisiana State University found that eating around 150 grams, about 1 small purple sweet potato before bed, reduced seniors' cortisol awakening response by over 40%. But the benefit seems unique to the purple kind, not the orange. Why? It turns out that the color difference reflects changes in how the potato interacts with microbes in your gut. Purple sweet potatoes feed helpful bacteria like bifidobacterium and lactobacillus, which in turn produce calming brain chemicals such as GABA. Orange sweet potatoes don't feed these bacteria as well and can sometimes make you feel too alert before bed. There's another trick. When you cook and then cool a purple sweet potato, the starches change form. They turn into resistant starch, a type that is digested slowly and releases tryptophan, the building block of melatonin, steadily throughout the night. To get this benefit, steam your purple sweet potato whole until just tender, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Don't peel the skin. The skin contains the highest concentration of sleep-supporting compounds. Serve your cooled sweet potato topped with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a spoonful of almond butter. Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps cortisol surges in check. Eat your potato about 60 minutes before bed to time the peak calming effect with your first deep sleep cycle. As a tip, purple sweet potatoes are easier to find than you might expect. Asian markets usually have them, or you can order online. Once cooked and cooled, they'll keep for up to 3 days in the refrigerator, making it easy to have your nightly serving ready. Let's shift to a less familiar but surprisingly effective vegetable for shutting down nighttime stress: celery root. Not celery stalks, but the actual root, celery root, also called celeriac, might win the prize for ugliest vegetable in the grocery aisle. But inside, it holds a unique natural compound called 3-on-butylphthalate. This compound has been the subject of interest among pharmaceutical researchers for its effect on supporting healthy nighttime cortisol levels. Unlike celery stalks, which contain much less of this substance, celery root packs a real punch. EEG studies at the University of Chicago Sleep Research Laboratory observed that when older adults ate about 100 grams, half a cup of cooked celery root before bed, their brains actually became quieter in the stress centers while they slept. German research teams saw that test subjects had 52% fewer nighttime awakenings, and their morning cortisol levels were almost 40% lower. But the secret is all in the preparation. Peel and cube your celery root, then saute slowly in coconut oil for about 8 minutes. The coconut oil helps the calming compounds absorb into your bloodstream more efficiently and adds gentle, sleep-promoting fats. After cooking, mash the celery root, leaving it chunky to release the calming nutrients gradually as you digest. A dusting of nutmeg provides a gentle boost. Nutmeg is a natural sleep aid used for centuries. Eat your celery root mash about 45 minutes before bed with a glass of warm water, which not only brings comfort but helps activate the soothing properties. Do not eat celery root raw. particularly before bed. Raw. Its natural compounds can keep you up. Only the cooked root will help you wind down for the night. And if prepping this unique vegetable sounds daunting, you can peel and cube several roots at once and keep them in lemon water in the fridge for several days. So you always have some ready to cook. Let's move to a vegetable that's familiar to many, but with a crucial twist: dinosaur kale. This is not regular curly kale. This is a flat-leafed variety, also called lacinato or Tuscan kale. I can't stress this enough. When it comes to sleep, dinosaur kale is loaded with bioavailable magnesium, a mineral that is sometimes called nature's chill pill. Magnesium helps calm the nervous system by binding to GABA receptors in the brain, which effectively turns down the volume on cortisol at night. In a study out of Yale, seniors with insomnia who ate around 75 grams, about 1 cup of cooked dinosaur kale 2 hours before bed, saw nighttime cortisol levels drop by almost 60% and gained over 40 minutes of extra deep sleep each night. But raw kale is not your friend at bedtime. The oxalates in raw kale clamp onto magnesium and prevent your body from absorbing it. Instead, remove the stems completely. They can stimulate digestion and keep you up, and tear the leaves into small pieces. Massage them with a touch of avocado oil and a little sea salt for just a couple of minutes, until the leaves turn bright and soft. This breaks down tough fibers and oxalates, making the calming minerals available. Now quickly saute the leaves in a pan with fresh garlic for about 4 minutes, until wilted yet still green. The garlic combined with kale actually boosts magnesium absorption in your brain and gives a gentle relaxation lift. In the last 30 seconds, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the kale. The vitamin C in lemon helps your body draw even more iron from the kale, which matters because low iron can also trigger nighttime cortisol. After cooking, let your kale cool slightly. Then enjoy it with a tablespoon of tahini, a sesame paste that brings a perfect balance of extra magnesium and calcium. Consuming your dinosaur kale 2 hours before bed gives your body enough time to get the relaxing minerals where they need to be, just in time for your first deep sleep cycle. Always choose whole, fresh dinosaur kale, not pre-washed or bagged, because pre-washed kale quickly loses much of its mineral content. Now we arrive at the most unusual and powerful food on our list: sprouted broccoli. Not regular broccoli, but the tiny, thread-like broccoli sprouts you can grow at home or buy in specialty stores. Sprouted broccoli is a hidden gem for resetting your body's overnight ability to wind down stress, thanks to a compound called sulforaphane. Broccoli sprouts deliver this compound at concentrations 100 times stronger than mature broccoli. In a recent University of Tokyo study, seniors who consumed just 30 grams, a small handful of broccoli sprouts before bed, saw their nighttime cortisol levels fall by 2/3 over the course of 3 weeks. But there's something many people miss about using sprouts. They must be young, between 3 and 5 days old. To give you the maximum benefit, sulforaphane works not just as a temporary fix, but by activating your body's natural anti-stress pathways. It's like updating your internal software to automatically dial down stress between 10 and 6 a.m., the critical window where most of us struggle. The best way to prepare these sprouts is with the chop and wait method. Chop the sprouts finely, then let them rest at room temperature for about 40 minutes. This process unlocks the highest amounts of sulforaphane. Mixing your chopped sprouts with a tablespoon of ground mustard seed powder adds more of an enzyme called myrosinase, which makes the sulforaphane even stronger. To maximize the benefits, eat your serving of sprouts around 3 hours before bedtime. This gives your body enough time to activate the genetic pathways that cycle down cortisol naturally. Stick to a serving size of 30 grams. Eating much more than that can sometimes rile up your immune system in ways you don't want right before bed. What's especially exciting is that consistent nightly use of broccoli sprouts seems to have a long-term effect. Some participants in the study maintained better sleep and healthier stress rhythms for months after stopping the sprouts. If you're interested in trying broccoli sprouts but have never made them, you'll be surprised at how easy it is. All you need are broccoli sprouting seeds, a mason jar, and a little patience. Soak your seeds, drain, rinse twice a day, and in a week you'll have a powerful supply of stress-calming sprouts, fresher and far more potent than anything at the store. Now, you might be wondering, do you have to eat all 5 vegetables every single night for better sleep? The answer is no. Try starting with just one and notice how your sleep changes over a week or two. My advice is to begin with broccoli sprouts if you can, as they offer the deepest and most long-lasting effects. Then gradually add the others as you develop your routine. The key is consistency, not perfection. These foods work best when they become regular habits, not occasional treats. Just imagine the difference. Mornings when you wake feeling truly rested, days when you have the energy you remember from years ago, and nights when you fall asleep and stay asleep naturally. This is not just about preventing future problems, it's about regaining your quality of life, your confidence, and your independence now. Science is showing us that food can be the gentlest, most natural form of self-care if you choose the right kinds, in the right way, at the right time. If you found even one helpful idea or glimmer of hope in today's video, I encourage you to subscribe and turn on notifications. Your journey to better sleep and brighter days begins with a single step, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. If you have questions about your sleep or want to share your own success story, drop a comment below. I read everyone, and your story might help someone else too. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, may your nights be peaceful and your mornings full of energy.